So I would like to start with the comparison of AI and computers. I feel the AI is just like the computers in 90s, like when computers were introduced, those who have accepted and adapted it were able to grow fast, and same goes for the AI. So now there are pros and cons of AI. Pros, as we have seen, our panelists have already shared, like it can do a lot of things: automation of repetitive tasks, enhanced accuracy, advanced data analytics, faster decision making, and this goes on and on. Like there is endless opportunities while using AI. But I would like to focus on cons also. There are a lot many cons of using AI, and as there is a time limitation, I would like to focus on the one con, which is prompt. Prompting is very important in AI. Like it is not necessary that you will always get the exact same result. If there is a slight difference in prompt, also the result will vary. So I'd like to focus on that con. Why prompt sensitivity matters? Because certain times what is happening is you will get output differently, and that will lead to inconsistent results. And there is also a challenge of language proficiency. If you're not good in writing, and if you're not able to prompt it correctly, so the output which you will get is will not be proper. So how can that be overcome? So there is a feature in ChatGPT, like in the paid version. You can always uh, yeah, you can go under the explore GPT section and always create your own GPT. So this is what basically this is. Like I have written a prompt also, that create an income tax calculator, give data prescribed table and in the format comparison of old and new. So what is this doing is basically creating a GPT, which will be just calculating the income tax when income is added in it, and this will take a lot of time. So I have one sample ready. I created one GPT. Yeah, the GPT was financial wizard. When the sample data which you upload, like there is a domestic sales and all the things of a company of year one, year two, and year three, and you want a projection for year four and year five. So when I'm prompting in normal in Chat GPT that I need a growth of 20% year on year, like projection should be on the basis of 20%. So what data it will show is that all the things with sales, it will all increase all the things by 20%. It will increase purchase by 20%. It will increase everything by 20%. So this was the prompting issue, because I just prompted that increase all the figures by 20%, so increase sales by 20%. So there was a prompt issue in that. So for that data, I have written the prompt grow sales by 20% and all the figures according. Now, another time when I have created my own GPT, when I prompt achieve a 20% increase in sales and corresponding figures that have a proven correlation with sales growth, means it will give me data like this, that sales will grow by 20%, but all the other figures will be in correlation with sales of historical and then grow accordingly. So this was the change. Now you can't expect like every person in your office to give same kind of prompt like you do. So what you can do is you can create your own GPT for various purpose. Like see, this GPT has given me. Do you want to call this GPT as a text guide? If I say yes, it will be named as a text guide, and then the GPT will be created, and the results are. I have shown you the results. Now, what are the benefits of creating our own GPT? Like it gets a relevant because it's a tailored to accounting domain, so it will always give you the result which are there in the knowledge base. Just like I'll show you one, my GPT. When creating this financial wizard, I have given the data that you should consider year 4 and year 5 based on historical data from year 1 and year 3. So these are common instruction available in the GPT itself. So, and also you can add things in the knowledge also, like you can upload files. If I'm calculating for income tax, I can upload a bare act or something like that. So it will always refer that knowledge from it. In fact, the GPT is not updated timely. So if there is a change in law, I can change the knowledge base here, and then it can provide me the exact the result which are which are the new results, like not the old one, not updated one. So with creating GPTs, we can solve many problems like data cleaning and processing, predictive analysis, audit analytics, financial reporting. All this is possible with your prescribed output. You can decide your output, you can structurize your output, how the output you want, and every time when you create a GPT, every time when you enter a file and ask the GPT to do any analysis on that, you will always get the exact same output as prescribed and as described by you. So this was my time. Like this is what I wanted to share. Everything else is covered by all the panelists. And with creating your own GPT, I feel there are endless possibilities, and a lot much can be done.